Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize BigCommerce integrations for ERP sync, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize BigCommerce integrations for ERP sync, begin by logging into your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the Apps section located in the left-hand menu. Click on the Marketplace option to access available integrations. Search for your specific ERP system in the search bar. Once you find the ERP integration, click on it to view the details. Review the integration details to ensure it meets your requirements. Locate the Get This App or Install button and click on it. You will be prompted to sign in to your ERP system. Enter your ERP credentials and allow permissions for the integration. After successful authentication, you may need to map data fields between BigCommerce and your ERP. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the data mapping process. Make sure to double-check the accuracy of the mappings to ensure smooth data flow. Once all fields are mapped, confirm your settings by clicking the Save button. Return to the BigCommerce dashboard to verify that the integration is listed under your installed apps. Monitor the integration for any syncing issues, which can often be resolved in the Settings menu. Set up any necessary automation rules within the integration to further streamline your processes. Test the integration by initiating a sample sync to confirm everything is functioning as expected. If any issues arise, consult the ERP integration documentation for troubleshooting tips. Finally, make sure to regularly update both your BigCommerce and ERP systems to avoid compatibility issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.